go. This is it. The winner of the X Factor 2018 is Dalton.
First of all, we have to take a little sip of the bubbly celebration. Yo, we are celebrating for Dalton, because here what? Dalton Harris has officially won the UK's X Factor competition. That we are going to talk about. So, not going to wait. We are come right back. See it?
Right now, you and we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. Unstoppable, and now we are trained.
Yeah, people, me a sweat, cause here what? The excitement is on, the energy up, the vibes is right. Come here tell us a while ago when me a watch the X Factor, you know. I be a scream, me I say, go Dalton, Team Dalton, yes Dalton. Hear me no man, people, Dalton Harris won. Hear me no, people, me a sweat cause yo, the vibes is right. Dalton Harris won. So you see for everybody who did dep on Team Dalton and I support Dalton Harris through this entire competition, a time for no grab on no bubbly right now and say, yeah, the youth finally make it. Watch out no man, let me get rid of this. So people, here we go on now. So you don't know, say Dalton Harris step out and him perform at the finals. See? So today, yo, hear me no man, the judges came out and them say, yo, we're here to announce the winner of the UK's X Factor. And you see when time them call Dalton name, Dalton goes up. Yo, people, it was a moment when me myself almost faint. Because me I say, yo, you know what, yo, mind you do. Me didn't know say the youth are going to win, you know. Though, yo, me didn't know if you fact him are going to win. And me know say nothing couldn't stop that win there. You see what me I say? So, me I watch the show and me I say, yes, Dalton, you do it, youth. You come from nothing to something. You do it. So here what? The excitement. Me no one can see it in me. Me no one can see it right now. The energy, the vibes, everything up. Yo, me I sweat all now, people, because yo, the adrenaline are pumping on me out of the excitement for the fact that the youth win the competition. You see, people, me I tell you now, it's a proud moment for Jamaica. It's a proud moment for the Caribbean. You see, if you is a Jamaican and you're not proud of the fact that you they represent, for, yo, you know man, you need for proud right now. Everywhere on there, you need to wave on a Jamaican flag. If you're there Bahamas, if you're there Trinidad, if you're there Cayman, anywhere you don't know wave on a Jamaican flag, and I say, Team Dalton Harris did it for Jamaica. You understand? You know people, listen to me. Tessa Chin went out and she represent. You see? Tessa, yo, me I sweat too much, people. Me see who come back. Yeah. Tessa Chin went out and she represent for Jamaica big time upon the other competition they were named the Vice. Yeah, oh. And upon that note, me I go tell you no something you never even did know. A lot of you never know said Dalton, yes, Dalton Harris actually auditioned for the Vice a couple of years ago. You never know though. Well, I don't know now. Yeah, people, Dalton auditioned for the Vice a couple of years ago and actually got accepted to enter the competition. But Dalton did not, him just never go. You see it? Yeah, him get accepted for the Vice and him just never go. The youth say, him still have the email to this day. Me know that wonder where me get that information there from though. But yeah, him say him still have the email to this day. In him email where the Vice actually email him and tell him after him audition for the Vice to the competition that he was qualified and him could have go enter the competition there, but him just never bother go to enter the competition there. But instead, the man go to the UK X Factor and watch what? The man go win that. You understand, people? Proud moment for Jamaica. Proud moment for Jamaica. I'll know me hot. I'll know me heated. The AC on and me heated same way. Because the energy does right. The vibes just up. You see it? Me know. You must get understand. You know when you're overjoyed. You know when you're excited. Because that's something where you're cheering for so long and you see it finally reach. All of the naysayers, one of them know. All of the people who did bash the youth, one of them know. Eh? All of the negative comments where they come, one of them know. The whole one of them are back. You see, the youth are move forward. Me proud of Jamaica. Me proud of Dalton Harris. You see me I say? And the only reason why I'm proud is because me are Jamaican. I'm proud of my country. I'm proud of my own nation people when they must strive. You don't mind the sweat, a excitement, a happiness, a joy. You see? Yes, and that it's called. People, listen me. There are a few people out there where we need to thank for this victory. First of all, we need to thank Patrice, G-Box and the entire G-Box family because Patrice rally straight through is like a politician. You know when time a voting time, Patrice, oh they have get all of the vote them. For Dalton, so big up Patrice, G-Box and also the Unstoppable TV because we are one of them where we make sure say yo, every week we are cheering people and I say yo, vote for Dalton, vote for Dalton, vote for Dalton because him need the votes. You understand, people? So yes, we respect the fact and we love everybody who did that support Dalton Harris. Yeah, we respect Patrice and the entire G-Box team, and we respect you will watch this. If you vote, we respect you. And even if you not vote, even if you never vote for him, but you simply did that cheer him on and share him videos and buy him songs them for iTunes and things, we respect you, see me, and we thank you for it, see me, because you are every supporter support. You see, so for all of who did that come with the negative and the naysaying thing and the backlash thing and the bag of bad talking and thing, you can go and run about this. So nobody not care about you right now. A joy moment. You see tomorrow, Dalton Harris are going to depend every newspaper. Dalton Harris are going to depend the Star, I'm going to depend the Gleaner, I'm going to depend the Observer, I'm going to depend Extra, I'm going to depend every single newspaper, I'm going to depend the newspaper in the UK, I'm going to depend every, yo, you know man, Dalton Harris are going to be the talk for a while. You understand? So if you were not a supporter of Dalton, you better get on the support, you better get on that team there right now. Because at Dalton Harris the thing there. You see, the youth talent is extraordinary. The youth talent is one of a kind. You understand? People, when you see me come with that kind of energy, you know, no must know, say excitement, you know. Right now, sweater run off of me. Yo, me I tell you, because me excited for the youth. I know me win, I feel like a me win. You don't know that way there? I know me win, I feel like a me win. That's the joy when me I feel. That's the excitement when me I feel. You understand? Team Dalton Harris all the way. We don't care about none of the negative. We don't care about none of the backlash. We don't care about none of the foolishness and the chatter where did that go wrong. We don't care about none of that. You see? All we know say right now, one of our own fellow Jamaican brother make we proud. You get me, people? That's the only thing we matter right now. One of our own Jamaican brother make me proud again. Because as me say, Tessa and Chin do it, even though she win, and we forget about her. You get to me and say? She win and we forget about her. With this guy, I like say she never even win a big competition. You see me? But here, Dalton, youth, hold your head up and go and keep moving forward and go and push hard. And which me sure me not have to tell you that because you're a fighter, you're a struggler, you know where you come from, so you know where you go. You understand, people? And we now as Jamaicans, we need to continue to support we own. You see? You know what I would like to see? Would I like to see the next Vice competition or the next UK X Factor? I want to see Romy and Virgo. I one of them youth, they were talented. Another Jamaican youth, I want to see go enter the competition there. And people, you know say Romy and Virgo have some good vocals, right? I have to take off my shades to that one day. You don't know, so I normally do my videos without my shades, but I have to look in on the eye and tell you this. You know say Romy and Virgo is a youth that have some good vocals. The youth know all notes. You see? So, yes, I wouldn't like to see Romy and Virgo enter the competition they like the Vice. Remember now, you know, Romy and Virgo came from Digicel Rising Star 2, you know. Remember that? Alright, you see? So, you know the victory, what that would have been. If you see, Romy and Virgo following at the footsteps of Dalton Harris and actually decide, say, yo, him a go enter the UK's X Factor. But not only that, you know what the victory would have been if Romy and Virgo actually enter the UK's X Factor and win. Another Jamaican enter again and win. You can imagine how pro Jamaica would have been. You can imagine. Yo, people, listen to me, man. Maybe I'm a little bit too excited. Maybe we need to calm down a little bit. Maybe we need to just relax. But it's just that I'm overjoyed. For say, my fellow brother, you understand? My fellow brother from my own nationality made it to a competition like that and walk away successful. You understand? No, me know everybody I say, yo, where mother there? And people me I go tell you this, Dalton father and his sister was there watching him at the competition for the finals. Yes, Dalton father made it there. In the UK, Dalton said him father buy him ticket to come to the competition from the very first week when him figure sing. Him father buy him ticket to come. But him father was there for the final sing off last night. And him father did stand up proud and watch him son on the stage, people. It's a glorious moment. Him sister was there. You understand? And me I go say this too. With a humble tone. Sylvia, Dalton mother, big up yourself. You see me? You bring a good son in other world, yeah. You bring a talented son in other world, yeah. So Sylvia, big up yourself. You need to feel good. You need to feel proud right now as a mother. You see me? Forget all of the drama. Forget all of the animosity. Feel proud as a mother for your sister. Right now you're supposed to shed a tear of joy when you find out say Dalton win, in which me sure you know say him did go win long time. But right now, at this very moment, you're supposed to shed a tear of joy just for know say are your son that. So Sylvia, big up yourself. You see? And for all of the fans who really love Dalton, you don't need to say, yo, you don't want to see Dalton and his mother come together and build a band. You see? Do away with all of the negativity from the past and just work on. You see me I say? Yeah, growing that relationship. Fixing that relationship. You see? Because right now Dalton is a rich youth. Yes, Dalton is a rich youth. Because guess what? Nobody feel like say, adjust. That's why it's going to stop after him win the competition there. No, there's going to be sponsorships. There's going to be endorsements. There's going to be all kind of different ways of money if it come rolling in for Dalton. So Dalton Harris is a rich brother right now. You understand, people, viewers, subscribers? Me not even go chat no more, because me not go ramble on no more with this. But the main thing is, what we want uno to know, Dalton Harris finally win the competition. We already know him did go win. But me just want to come tell you again, because I'm overexcited. Watch out, man, Unstoppable TV. If you are a true fan of Team Dalton, which is Unstoppable TV, because Unstoppable TV a Team Dalton. If you're a true fan of Dalton Harris, make sure if you hit the subscribe button, you see it, share the video too, make the world know and see how excited me is, because me a sweat. You see it, that Dalton Harris win. You see it, share the video, give the video you a like, and make them know. Yeah, go and blow the horn, Dalton win. Watch out, viewers, subscribers. Me God, you see it, no matter what. Don't make nobody stop you at Unstoppable TV. I'm out.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.